What if we could travel through time? Imagine visiting ancient civilizations or witnessing future wonders. The idea sparks our imagination and curiosity. Stories of time travel have captivated us for centuries, from H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to modern films. These tales fuel our dreams and questions. Time travel ignites fundamental questions about reality, destiny, and free will. Can we change the past, or is the future already set? Science blends with fiction in exploring time travel. Theories from renowned physicists spark our imagination about bending the laws of time. Imagine stepping into a time machine and arriving centuries earlier. What would it feel like to witness history firsthand? The concept of time travel is not just fiction. It's a fascinating topic in theoretical physics. Scientists continually explore its possibilities. Curiosity drives us to explore time travel further. Could we one day unlock these mysteries and travel through time ourselves? As we delve deeper into the science of time travel, we'll discover theories that could reshape our understanding of time itself. Have you ever dreamed of traveling through time? Imagine visiting the past or future, witnessing events unfold right before your eyes. One popular theory is based on Einstein's theory of relativity, which suggests that time is not fixed and can actually bend and warp. Another intriguing idea is the concept of wormholes, theoretical passages through space-time that could link distant points in time and space. Then there's the idea of closed time-like curves, which are paths through space-time that loop back on themselves, allowing for travel to earlier points in time. Let's not forget about time travel via faster-than-light travel, where exceeding the speed of light could theoretically lead to time leaps. Some theories even suggest that black holes could serve as portals to other times, though much remains speculative in this realm. The idea of time crystals also enters the conversation, structures that can potentially exist in a state of perpetual motion without energy input. While many of these theories sound incredible, they're grounded in real science, keeping our curiosity about time travel alive and buzzing. What if I told you that time travel might be possible through a concept called wormholes? These unique structures could bend time and space in astonishing ways. Wormholes are hypothetical bridges between different points in space-time, like shortcuts connecting two distant locations. Imagine traveling across vast distances instantly. In theory, if a wormhole could be stabilized, it might allow for travel to the past as well as the future. This opens exciting possibilities for time explorers. However, creating and maintaining a wormhole is no easy task. It would require immense amounts of energy and exotic matter to keep it open. Scientists believe that quantum physics might hold the key to understanding wormholes. The behavior of tiny particles could help unravel the mysteries of space-time. There are also fascinating paradoxes tied to wormholes. If you could travel back in time, could you change events or create alternate realities? What would that mean for our past? Wormholes remain a theoretical concept for now, but as we delve deeper into the universe, who knows what discoveries await us? Stay curious as the adventure continues into the unknown. Have you ever wondered why time feels different in various situations? This curious phenomenon is known as time dilation, and it can change our experience of time itself. To understand time dilation, imagine two astronauts. One travels close to the speed of light, while the other stays on Earth. As the spaceship speeds up, time for the astronaut aboard begins to slow down. They experience events in a very different way than their friend on Earth. When the traveling astronaut returns after what feels like a year, they might discover that decades have passed on Earth. This is time dilation in action. But time dilation is not just a space phenomenon. It occurs at speeds we experience every day, like when flying in an airplane. Fast motion alters our passage of time. Scientists have confirmed this effect with precise clocks on jets, showing that time moves slightly slower for those on board compared to those on the ground. Understanding time dilation invites us to think deeply about the universe and our experience of reality. What other mysteries lie ahead in our exploration of time? Imagine stepping into a time machine and facing a paradox. What happens if you change something in the past? One famous paradox is the grandfather paradox. If you traveled back and prevented your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, would you exist? The bootstrap paradox is another mind-bending concept. It questions the origin of objects or information that might exist without a clear beginning. Consider the predestination paradox. In this scenario, your actions in the past are what led you to time travel in the first place. Quantum mechanics introduces many intriguing possibilities that might allow time travel, creating more paradoxes along the way. These paradoxes force us to rethink causality and existence, leading to endless debates about the nature of time travel. As we explore these fascinating paradoxes, we realize that time travel is more complex than we could ever imagine. So, what if we could change history? Imagine stepping into a future where time travel is no longer just a dream, but a reality. How would that change our understanding of history? Future technology might allow us to explore different eras, unlocking secrets of our past. What discoveries await us beyond our current timeline? As we look ahead, ethical questions arise about intervention in historical events. Should we change the past or just observe? Time travel might enable us to witness key moments firsthand, giving us a richer appreciation for our history. How would that impact our present? Future time travelers may have to navigate regulations and consequences of their journeys. How will society structure these rules? What if personal time travel became as easy as hopping on a train? Families could reunite across time, changing relationships forever. As we imagine this future, consider the responsibility that comes with time travel. How will we ensure that we use this power wisely?